All right, today is May 14th, 2025. Um, Shoot, it's been about 5 months now. Um, Still working on passing the combine. Um, I ain't never worked this damn hard for something. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never worked this damn hard for anything. Usually shit just comes easy to me. And this shit here, it's a whole different level. Um, one day is good, one day is bad. One day is great, next day is horrible. Um, so here's what we're gonna do, right? Should be pinned. We're going to go over. I missed, like I said, I missed this boat. This boat is gone now. It's set sail already. We're just gonna just focus on just supply just levels that appears. I have none here. Hoping we have something pre-market. Um, Nothing. It's just still forming. This one formed, but then got destroyed. Or nothing. So I don't have anything really. Um, so I got the high, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna erase this, and I might just be done. Right? I'll come back to this when the market opens. I need a black cloud from out of this. Um, all right, so we got one down here, a 1 minute one, two. Then we have this one up here. All right, so we're gonna mark those two. These are 1 minute areas. One minute ABS resistance. Right, has not been broken. It's fresh. It's clean. All right, and then here we got a 1 minute one as well that runs all the way down to this one here. This is the pre-market one. So it's a 1 minute buy and ABS. Over here, we're gonna look for buyers. 1 minute buy. That's ABS, and this is a support level. And that's pretty much it. We'll make this some weird color. Let's look at that one. That's pretty much it. So boom, look at this nice rejection. Bam. Right. The rejection from that point is it's more than 2 times the amount of the opposite side of that. So that would have been a nice little trade. Bam, take it down. Bam, take it up. All right. So since I've been thinking, just speculating. Since I have a time taking more than one trade at the same level. What if I had just put my my entry at that level, stop loss a little bit beyond, and let price do its thing, right? Because I've taken more than one trade anyways at one level. So instead of taking multiple exits, why not just put the stop loss there and let it run its course, right? Like this one here, yeah, I probably would have got stopped out. It would have sucked, but then I'd have went for the next one, right? And then that would have made it up for it. All right, that one would have just went bloop, taking me out. Um, this is the only one that was actually a clean level. Price came down, made another low, and then just really just went to it. All right, so price never really actually went to that level. It looks like look, it just price just reversed. As opposed to this one here, where price actually accumulated and then moved. Let's see the other one over here. Same thing. See, price accumulated and then moved, which is just straight reversal. So maybe I shouldn't have been marking this one here. No, just a thought. This one accumulated and then moved, accumulated, No price. We've got the gray down here actually inside the box. Do we have the black inside? We have the green inside the box. We don't, but it's pretty close to it. That one would be also be pretty close to it as well. But prices dropped. No ton of buying volume here and then dropped. So I don't know. Anyways, I'm done with the 1 minute for this. We're gonna go to NQ. He's gonna run the same thing. So we have kind of like this and this one, right? So we're gonna this 4 hour I'm going to get rid of because price went heavily inside of it. I'm gonna move this down to where the 1 hour is, 2133975, like that. All right. This one here, we could just say it's pretty much no good. All right. So now let's go to the here. I'm gonna mark it from yeah. All right. 5 minute ABS support. Okay. 1 minute. Ooh, got a lot going on. I don't know how I feel about that. That's just straight bounce. And we got this one here. Support. Right. All right. And I'll make it green. All right. Let's do VIX. I don't think I'm gonna get much with VIX. I hope not. I just want VIX to just be plain. Okay, got a 4 hour. I mean, got a 1 hour. One hour support. .minute. I mean 30 minute. Yeah, I marked the high from yesterday. Didn't I? Yeah, that was the high from yesterday. That's the low. Okay. So we'll see how that holds. Alright, and we'll bring this one down to whatever this is. 17.95. I don't know, something like that, right? 4 hour, do we ever get anything there? No. All right, so both. What do I have here? All right, so both VIX and the NQ are at a 4 hour level. Let's see if ES does have one as well. No, it doesn't. Okay. All right, so let's add settlement price that I was already open. There we go. .30 news. Trump. Damn, Trump spoke again at 11:34. They're sneaking them shits in. I still got 11:34. They're sneaking them shits in. Must be just adding to it as we go. Alright, so nothing major today besides that, and then some speakers. Let's run through the mostly the this one here. All right, we're way above it on ES and NQ, so I'm not even gonna mark it. It's got that 5 minute level we have here. Okay, so that one is, I'm okay with that the way it is. That one's way above it. And so the 1 minute or ES, which was at 1332. 1332. Way over here. So price really destroyed it. It did respect it here around 3 o'clock and drop. So which is here for NQ for ES and then drop. So expecting this absorption here. So we'll see how price reacts today. Other than that, let's look at this, right? This is something I didn't do last time. Or yesterday we had a ton of flow of volume coming in like this here, right? That was a lot if you saw it. So we'll look at it now. I just want to change this. I did. Alright. Wow, why did that one look cleaner? Alright, so I have it at 5. Alright, so we are still in the uptrend, but I don't see any RSI arrows, so maybe we'll shift today, right? I'm going to have this here like that. So this is basically the 10, the 15, and the 20 tick chart, looking at how price reacts to those levels, looking for those wicks. This looks like it's a lot to me right now. Looking at it, I don't think I can look at all three to see if the wick is happening, because it's just on top of one another. So now that I can see that, I have a few minutes before market opens. I may need to section them up in a row. Alright, so maybe I need to do something like this. Let's go to the studies here. Alright, so we'll do that. And then we'll go into the 10. Teen. 20. Right. So, and then I'm gonna get rid of this here. It's too much information. That one can stay. Nope, that one needs to go. Yeah, that one needs to go. So I could just look at this and cut it in half. Or look at this and cut it in half. Either or. This is 20, this is 10, so. I really just want the last one. Because I can't see what's going on here. Alright, so that's basically my trading. I'm looking at the tick chart. Alright, so this is going to be a nice rejection area, more than likely. I like this long wick. We'll come back to it again and hit it. I'll look for an entry. I mean for down here. Alright, 20 tick. So we're gonna save this one here. Like that. Alright. So look at that, it's about 3. Okay. Oh, it's about 3.5. Okay. Alright, so that's that. So I'm gonna close this range and main out. And then let's open up our thing. So yesterday I took 5 trades. I really lost major there on there. I was just basically forcing shorts at initial balance. Or forcing shorts at initial balance, which is not really as important as supply and demand. So I'm gonna go back to what I was doing last week and the week before, is just having this chart up, which shows me supply and demand lines that I have pre-marked, right? And then just trade off of those only. So that's the main plan. Won't be forcing any trades that way. Well, focus on just those setups, and then so that way I can do a proper analysis of where I need to be in my trades. Like I have this level here marked from yesterday, so that should come across there, which you can see that we hit. And then zoom out, I got this level down here, these 2 levels from here to from here to here. We'll send that across like that, right? So that's basically the levels that we're working with. Also have this one here. It's the 1 hour and 30-minute level. Alright. And then I have this 4 hour up here. Back in February. Alright. And I'm gonna label them. Go to the respective timeline. This is 4 hour. This is 30 minutes and 1 hour. This is 1 minute. And this is 1 minute. And then we have this this 15-minute line that's been held. Other than that, No, I'll be focusing on this chart here. Strong sell here, strong sell here. Got it from the 1 minute. Strong sell here on the 15. Strong stop here, stoppage on the you know what we're gonna have here. I can actually level here. Yep, right at that point. Oh no, I can actually level right there. I don't think I can do it with any of these. These are no good. I mean, I don't expect price to just break out of this and fall to the ground, but the 4 hour level. What time is it? All right, it's time for me to go. About 10 minutes before market opens, and yeah. So, all right. So I'll be back later.